Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the Enjoy Organizer Commercial Large Portable Caddy, a versatile and durable storage solution proudly made in the USA. This extra-large caddy features 8 big compartments and 4 removable dividers, making it perfect for organizing everything from cleaning supplies and tools to craft materials like acrylic paints, glitter, yarn, and ribbons. Its sturdy construction and easy grip integrated handle ensure portability and convenience, allowing you to effortlessly pull it off shelves or out of closets, even from high places. The compact design makes it ideal for use in various settings, including bedrooms, kitchens, garages, and even dorm rooms or RVs. Made from BPA and chlorine-free shatter-resistant plastic, this caddy is not only strong and durable but also easy to clean with mild soap and water. With deep pockets that hold numerous items and a comfortable handle for carrying, this stackable caddy is thoughtfully sized at 16.25 by 9.25 by 7 inches high. Experience the ultimate in organization and quality with the Enjoy Organizer, designed to meet all safety standards and provide the best for our customers. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.